After I discovered this recipe, I just want to eat potatoes like this. Delicious! For this recipe, I will start using 9 small potatoes, and I will cut them in half. Once this is done, I will pour the potatoes into a pan over low heat. Then I will add water until it covers. I will also add a teaspoon of salt, and I will mix well so that the salt is diluted in water. Now let it cook for 15 minutes. After the time, I will remove the potatoes and pour into a colander, letting all the water drain. That done, I'll book. Now, I will use chives, use in the amount you prefer. I will cut very well. That done, I will also book. Then I will use 4 cloves of garlic. I will slice it and cut into small pieces, this way. Let's go to the next stage of our recipe. In a pan with low heat, I will add a tablespoon of butter and I will spread well so that the butter melts completely. I bet a recipe like that you've never seen. Once this is done, I will add the potatoes that we cooked previously for you to fry. Write down everything for you to do at your house later, but don't forget to come back here to thank me. I guarantee that the taste will surprise you. With the potatoes starting to brown, I will mix so that it fry equally on both sides. Next, I will add a teaspoon of salt, followed by half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of oregano. And I will mix, incorporating everything very well. After you do, I guarantee you will become routine in your home. Once this is done, I will add the chives we cut and the garlic we chopped. I will mix everything very well. In the meantime, tell me which town you watch so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Sydney Gilbert de Bonsall. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Finally, I will add a lime, and I will squeeze over the potatoes. I do it almost every week. My family loves this recipe. And I will mix well, incorporating the lime to the other ingredients. This recipe is incredibly delicious. You need to try it. I guarantee that the taste will surprise you. And our amazing recipe is ready. And look how it turned out. Anyway, I will taste these super tasty potatoes. Make and invite a special person to eat with you. I guarantee you will love so much that they will even ask you for the recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for joining us here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.